Welcome to the deep dive. We're here to give you that essential shortcut, straight to the core insights from key source material.
Yeah, distilling it down for you.
Exactly. And today we're tackling a really big one from the Service Design Global Conference. It's Shelley Evenson's talk, Designing for Agentic Systems. Felt like a major theme, wouldn't you say?
Oh, absolutely. Evenson, she's a real pioneer in service design, and now she's strategically focused on AI in service delivery. Her perspective is, well, I'd say it's crucial for you as a service design pro.
Right. Especially understanding how these autonomous agents are changing user experiences. And our roles, too, it seems.
Definitely blurring the lines.
So the core theme, she called it the big shift towards autonomy, agentic systems. How does she define those again?
She described them as agents, or maybe
Yeah.
sets of agents, that can perceive their environment, reason about it, act, and then learn, kind of recursively.
Recursively, right. And crucially, they're not just doing simple single steps.
No. They handle complex, multi-step services and potentially operate, independently without someone constantly looking over their shoulder.
Okay, let's unpack that a bit. Independent operation.
Well, what's really fascinating is how this level of autonomy starts to create what she termed an agent economy.
Agent economy.
Yeah, think about it. If these systems are managing the entire service delivery, they can actually transfer resources, make transactions,
Wow.
all while keeping track, maintaining memory and context as they work towards a specific goal.
That fundamentally changes our design materials then, doesn't it?
Completely. And this is where it gets, I think, really interesting for designers. The source material really hammered this home. Prompt sets are basically the new product requirements documents, the new PRDs.
So we're shifting from designing like UI features
Right.
to defining agent goals
Yeah.
and behaviors
Say.
and constraints.
Exactly. Setting the boundaries, the ethical guardrails for how the system should behave.
Yeah.
It's a different kind of specification.
Okay, so if the prompt set is the exam question.
Then the evaluation, that's your grading rubric.
Ah, okay. And we design the rubric.
We help shape it, yes.
Yeah.
The evil often means those automated benchmarks measuring, objective performance, technical model accuracy.
And that accuracy directly ties into the brand promise. I remember that example she gave.
Oh, the news publishing one. Yeah, very powerful.
Saying 99% accuracy just isn't good enough there?
Nope, it has to be 100%. The entire brand's reliability depends on it. There's just no room for error.
Hitting that 100%, it's not just a tech problem, is it? It sounds like a massive organizational challenge. Needs total alignment.
It really is.
Yeah.
And the sources pointed to this need for a different kind of team structure, moving away from, say, the classic T-shaped specialist model.
Right. The deep expert with broad knowledge.
Towards something she called the anemone model.
The anemone, like the sea creature.
Exactly. Think decentralized, flexible, highly cross-functional. Designers needing to work seamlessly with engineers, PMs, researchers, data scientists, all clustered around the agent's core function.
Interesting metaphor. So what's the big takeaway here for you, the service designer listening? What's our mandate in this new world?
Well, Evenson was very clear.
Yeah.
Our job is to stand for the humans
Yeah.
within this new AI architecture.
Okay.
Our skills in systems thinking and understanding complex journeys and human needs, they're actually perfectly suited for this. Because our role, it sort of shifts
From designing the direct interaction.
to designing the management layer around the agent.
Management layer, meaning.
Defining what failure looks like, setting up governance, making sure the agent's goals and his processes actually lead to outcomes that align with what people need and expect, ensuring trust.
So service designers are kind of positioned to lead this shift, bringing that critical thinking, that human-centered focus to these systems as they become more autonomous.
Precisely. We're teaching organizations how to be good managers of these agents, in a way.
Okay, so this deep dive really underscores a pretty radical mindset shift needed. Key takeaways for you listening seem to be focus on agent management, learning how to translate requirements into these sophisticated prompt sets,
Right.
and making sure that technical accuracy genuinely builds human-level trust, all within that new anemone team structure.
Yeah, that sums it up well. It's a powerful roadmap for where service design is heading, I think.
Thank you for listening.